my crafty people, today we're gonna do a really fast tutorial on how to do a heart applique. Now, I do gotta say the heart is gonna be bigger again if you use a bigger hook, and it's gonna be smaller if you do a smaller hook. In this case, since I did this one this big, I used a case size hook, or a, I can see, 6.50 millimeters hook to get the heart this big. But I'm going to do this one with a smaller hook, and this one is an E hook, or a 3.50 millimeters. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so we're gonna start with an adjustable ring. So, and that is really easy. You just you wrap the yarn around your finger, and then you take the hook and pull your working yarn through it. And before you let it go, just chain one just to secure it. And that is your adjustable ring. Okay? Now, we are going to chain two, and this does not count as the chain two doesn't count. Okay, so, and then we're going to make 3 double crochets into the ring. And it's really always tricky to do it like this. Okay, so 3 double crochets, and then we are going to pull it. Make sure that it's pulled like that. Okay, I do leave a long tail because I don't know what I'm going to use this one for. It could be an applique, it could be just something different. So do leave a long tail. Now for row number 2, you're going to chain 2. Chain 2. Okay, and again, this one doesn't count. You're going to turn your work and make 2 double crochets on your first stitch. I hope you can see this. Hold on, that's 2 double crochets on the first stitch, and then 1 double crochet on the next stitch, and 2 double crochet on the last stitch.
Mama?
Okay.
Mama?
Yes, baby.
Okay.
I'm okay. And you should have 5 double crochets. Again, we don't count the first one. For row number 3, you are going to chain 2, turn your work, and do 2 double crochets on your first stitch, and then 1 double crochet on the next one, another double crochet, another double crochet. Okay, and another double crochet here, and you are going to do 2 double crochets on the last stitch. Okay, and you're going to repeat this this pattern for rows 4 and 5. Again, is chain 2. I'm sorry, my son is climbing all over the place. Okay, so chain 2, turn your work, and 2 double crochets on your first stitch, and then 1 double crochet on the remaining stitches, and 2 double crochets on the last stitch. And you're going to do that for 1 more row. I'll see you back. Okay, so we are on the end of row 5. I'm just going to put my 2 double crochets on the last stitch, and by the end of this row you should have 11 double crochet. Now you gotta make sure that you got 11 double crochets, because when we're gonna form the top part of the heart, if you don't have 11, it's not gonna come out pretty, and then you're gonna have to count and do all kinds of weird stuff. Okay, For row number 6, we're just going to chain 2, turn our work, and just make 1 double crochet on each of the stitches across. And again, you should have 11 double crochets. So just do that, and I'll meet you back. Okay, so we are done with row number 6, and row number 7 is where the fun part begins. Okay, so you're just gonna turn your work without doing anything, and you're gonna skip the first 2 stitches, which will be 1 and 2, and on the 3rd stitch you're gonna do a treble crochet. Now if you don't know what a treble crochet, I'm gonna show you. It's really easy. You're just gonna wrap the yarn 3 times on your hook, 2 and 3. Okay, 1, 2, and then on 3, and then you are going to yarn over and pull through, yarn over, pull through, yarn over and pull through, and yarn over and pull through, and yarn over and pull all through. See? I'm going to show you one more time. Let's wrap your yarn 3 times, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through. Oops. Yeah, that's the tricky part. There we go. And yarn over and pull through. And you're going to do that 5 times. Yarn over, pull through. There we go. So now we got 3, and we got to do that 2 more on the same stitch. And I'll meet you back. Okay, so we got our 5 treble crochet in there, and then we're going to skip the next 2 stitches. So you skip that, and then you're going to slip stitch on the 3rd. Okay, you're going to slip stitch on the 3rd, and now we're going to skip the next 2 stitches again, and we're going to treble crochet 5 times on the 3rd. So skip this 2. Yep. Wrap your yarn around, and we're going to treble on this one. Oops. Oh my god. Let's see. And we're going to make 5 trebles on that one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, I do speak Spanish. So do that 3 more times, and I'll meet you back. Okay, so we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 treble crochets. Now you're going to skip this 2 stitches, and you are going to slip stitch on the top of this chain, the last chain. So just skip all of those and slip stitch it in there. Cut your yarn, secure it. Oops. And you know me, I do it 3 times. So, but see, on this side, I do it 3 times, but I usually do it inside because I don't know how I'm going to use this one. So, but that is it. That is your heart. Very super easy. Super easy. You can whip those up in no time and add it to all kinds of little projects around, like purses. If you use a really tiny needle, you can add it on the scarves, and even make earrings with them. It's a nice little project again, and I hope you enjoy doing it. If you end up doing it and adding it to a project, send it to my email. My email is in my description box below. Send me a picture of your projects. Also, let me know what else you want me to make. I'm here. I'm taking any suggestions. If you haven't done so, please subscribe and hit that bell button so you can be notified whenever I upload a video, which I'm trying to do twice a week. Sometimes I upload 3 times, all depends. But for now, I'm going to say bye. I hope you enjoy it, and please have a good weekend. Stay safe, y'all. Bye-bye. I recorded the video. I realized that I'm going to use this for something, and if you want to do this edge, just half double crochet around it, and you have a pretty heart. You can even put like eyes on it and make a face. That is, just use your imagination. Again, do send me a picture of your work when you have completed it to my email. It's in the description box below. Also, check out my other videos. They're gonna be popping up at the end of this video somewhere. And I also have a link to them on the description box. And if you wanna buy the yarn that I'm using in this video or any other video, I'm gonna have a link to Amazon where you could get it. Get the exact same yarn that I'm using. Again, thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, and share. And I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye now.